Simple macaroni and cheese. Recipe: 2 cups. Elbow macaroni. Tablespoons butter. Tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 cups. Milk. Cups. Shredded cheddar cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and add a pinch of salt. Add the elbow macaroni and cook according to the package instructions, usually 7 to 8 minutes, until tender. Drain the macaroni and set aside. In the same pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add the flour and whisk continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes to create a roux. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking constantly, ensuring there are no lumps. Continue to stir the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes until it begins to thicken. Lower the heat and gradually stir in the shredded cheddar cheese until it is completely melted and smooth. Season the cheese sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Add the drained macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until the pasta is evenly coated. Serve hot and enjoy your simple homemade macaroni and cheese. Breadcrumbs toasted in butter for added crunch. Additional shredded cheese on top. A sprinkle of paprika or parsley for garnish. This recipe is perfect for a quick, delicious meal or snack.